In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete or deactivate your account on Quora or Quora. It's very much simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do that. So hop on your Quora account like this, tap on this side. Now let's move to our settings here. So let me drag this up. Let me drag it back down here. And now you can see on here, we just move to our account like this. Good. So on our account, we just scroll. So on here, we move to our privacy here. So we tap on the privacy. Good. So on here, we just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Let me drag this up again, and you're going to see the deactivate account and delete account. So any of them you want to go with, just tap on that. So let me tap on the deactivate. You're going to pass through some 1, 2, 3 process. By entering your password, you're good to go. You deactivate your account. That you can reactivate it. If you want to delete it permanently, you just tap on this too as well. And you enter your password and you're good to go. So I don't want to delete my account, so I'm not going to do that. But that's it on how you can deactivate and also delete your Quora or your Quora account. Simple and easy. If you are new here, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel too as well, so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. That's it for the video. Peace.